Hi, welcome again. This is your girl, Alexandra Caesar. Season 4 is here. And today we have an amazing guest, a Grammy nominee, Afrobeat artist. She took the time to be here today. I could not believe. I feel so flattered and I have so much gratitude. And it's all because of you. And we were able to book Mono Beats. Hi. Thank you so much for coming.
My pleasure.
You look fantastic. I just love
the
the whole vibe, the outfit, the hair, the accessories, but we're gonna speak about this later. Let us know what you will be cooking today. Remember, this show is not about celebrities, but it just so happened you're one of them and you love my show.
Yeah.
So we're thankful.
My name is Mono Beats. I'm an artist, producer, Haitian. And
Asian artist.
Asian artist, like Grammy nominated. And 2 Afrima Awards from Africa.
So what now?
Afrima Awards in Africa.
Yes.
So yeah, I've won 2 in Nigeria. So for some reason, I ate a lot of spices in Nigeria. So I think this is the reason I'm gonna cook like the chicken masala, right?
Uh-huh.
And some rice and, what is that?
You brought it.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, I forget the script.
So, as an artist, not only you took the time to come here in my lovely kitchen, and you also showcasing the way you eat. And I know for a fact you're extremely busy and you have a lot of events to attend. Some people don't know how to cook and some people are busy like you, but guess what? We all have to eat.
Yeah.
So, Mono Beats, how do you eat?
I try my best to eat clean as possible because I have an app on my phone. I scan everything because sometimes I realize when I'm not eating really healthy and it's not good for my creativity. This is why today we're gonna do a quick thing, like very fast.
Okay.
It's gonna be like some chicken masala and some brown rice and quinoa. And we have like some chicken stock right here. So we're gonna try to cook something.
Chicken stock, okay. This is what he will be cooking today. He'll be cooking chicken masala. And he'll be cooking some organic quinoa and brown rice, and they're semi-ready, correct?
Yeah.
They're semi-ready because
almost like I think the rice is almost like pre-cooked.
The rice is pre-cooked.
Yeah, but we're gonna like put some spice on it. We're gonna make it better. Yeah, I'm a chef. You already know.
Oh, you're a chef now?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So he went from an artist
I'm feeling right now.
No cooking. To now he's a chef.
Yeah.
I am so honored. Grammy nominee.
Yeah.
Afrobeats artist, and now he's a chef.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and head to the stove, and we're gonna see how long it takes you to cook.
All right.
I'm hungry already. Danilo, can we have our apron, please? And what else are we missing?
I don't know.
We are missing our drinks.
Oh, we have drinks too?
Oh,
that's good.
Look at him. All right, so this is Mono Beats. I wanna, this is a gift.
Thank you very much.
Thanking you for participating in the show. This is my cooking channel apron. So if you get to keep it and you get to wear one. And then we're also missing our drinks.
We need some drinks.
He can't get it right.
I think I should.
He got one thing right today. He's looking real sexy.
Oh, I should put it on right now?
Yes, I can help you put it on. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
I think now I'm in business.
You're in business.
Oh,
correct. Yeah. We are in business. So I'm gonna follow you along. Well, thank you. What did you put in this drink? Some special for us. Some special. He got special for us. Here you go. Mono Beats.
Oh,
this is for
good.
us.
Okay.
Yes. So you're gonna use
sesame oils.
Okay, and then you're going to put
some onion, right?
Some garlic.
Garlic, right? Oh yeah, there's some onion right here.
Okay.
Some paprika.
Paprika, okay.
Yeah, I think this Haitian girl is glove. Guys, there's like, guys, you are fan English is like Jaiwof, right?
No, it's actually written on the bottle.
It's glove. Oh, okay.
No,
because in Haitian girl,
this is glove. This is cloves.
Oh, clove.
Yes.
I thought it's a gyro. Okay.
We're gonna use cloves. Okay, and then we're gonna move on.
We have some sea salt.
Some sea salt. Okay, and then you have your
chicken stock right here.
Okay, and then we have the chicken masala and the rice.
Right.
So we're gonna go ahead and pop it, and we're going to pour it. Let's go.
It's pretty good right here. So first of all, we're gonna need some oil.
Some oil, okay.
Medium heat.
Medium heat, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. So just a tad of oil. Is using just a tad of oil, not a whole lot. He's a healthy kind of dude. I like that. Usually, you know, young people eat just rah, 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 rah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't do that.
Don't do that. Don't. He said don't do that. Don't do that. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.
Spread everything.
The oil is not what now?
It's not like a lot.
A lot.
In the pot.
Oh, okay.
So we need like to spread
You're
it.
gonna smear it.
Yeah.
Okay. And now he's cutting the chicken masala.
Yes.
And then he's gonna pour it over.
Yes.
He had a little bit of technical issue with cutting because I don't think he likes to cut.
Yeah.
Okay. So it already comes pre-cooked.
Yes.
And he's gonna add his own ingredient just to make it his own taste. Should I stir it for you?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so I can help with that. I can stir. Okay.
Doing a great job right here.
Thank you. You're doing a great job too. Oh my God, he's such a good guest, y'all.
Yeah. Perfect.
And we did wash our hands when we went on break, by the way. So, but he's still wearing gloves.
So
we bring everything over.
Yes.
This is the onion.
Yes.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
A little bit. Yes. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
Doing
what
great.
else? Chicken broth.
Yeah.
Chicken broth.
We're gonna put like half a cup.
Half a cup. Okay.
Half a cup.
I'm gonna get the measurement.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour it over for you.
Yes. Perfect.
All right.
Amazing.
Okay. So while it's cooking, you think maybe we should go ahead and pop the rice?
Yeah, we're gonna wait a little bit.
A little bit. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, it looks ready to me.
Yeah. No, it's not ready yet, but you know.
Should we taste it?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Should we cover it?
No, you can keep it.
Leave it like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now for the rice, we're gonna do some things. We're gonna need like some
oil.
Some oils.
Okay. So he's going to just get the rice ready simultaneously as he get the chicken masala.
We're gonna need like 2 cups of chicken stock.
Chicken stock. Okay. Two more cups. Okay.
Yeah. So
are we gonna put any salt there or nothing else?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Yeah. How long does this meal usually takes you to cook? How long?
30 minutes max.
30 minutes max.
Yeah.
And then on a when you're fast, maybe 15 minutes when you're in a rush?
15 minutes, yeah, sometimes.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
I think besides the bone broth meal we had, this is probably the fastest meal we had on Spice Gal Cooking Show. If you guys know how to cook a meal under 15 minutes, hit us up. One of us will get back to you.
We're gonna put some salt.
Oh, now we're moving on to salt. Okay.
No, on the chicken.
On the chicken?
Yes.
Okay. You mean in the but that's how you put salt in your hand first.
Yeah.
Did you guys see that? What? Don't throw it at me. Oh, all of it fell. Okay. Well, I don't know if you noticed.
Yeah.
It's all on the stove.
He didn't walk out.
Okay, this is the way he cooks, and this is the way he eats at home. And I'm pretty sure your followers love that.
Definitely.
Okay. All right. So you have gloves. I can go ahead and taste
yes.
a little bit of it. My hands are clean.
I trust your opinion.
Actually, it tastes flavorful.
Yeah, that's really good.
It has flavor.
What about the salt? Do you think we need more salt, or is balanced, so everything's good?
You didn't put any salt in there.
No, I put some salt.
It's right here on the stove.
No, we have some on it.
Where?
We have some. We have some salt inside of it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to the rice.
We're almost
That's very little chicken broth. Is that gonna do the trick?
Yeah, it's gonna do the trick because this chicken is already pre-cooked.
Oh, the rice is already pre-cooked?
Yeah, the chicken broth we put like is for the taste.
Oh, just for the taste?
Yeah, the flavor, all those kind of things because everything is already pre-cooked.
Look, everything. Oh my God.
Yeah.
You're so insightful. You are a chef.
Oh,
look
definitely.
at you.
Yeah. So we need some garlic, onion.
Onion? Oh, that's a lot of garlic.
Yeah, it's okay.
That is a lot of onion. Are we eating onion rice?
Yeah. Everything for the taste.
Okay. And paprika.
That is.
Okay.
We're gonna try our best.
Okay. Just a tad. Okay.
Yeah.
So should we stir it or let me get you another spoon.
Yeah. So this time
I'm gonna take a step back.
No, the salt. I don't think I'm gonna do
What is that? Okay, should we pour everything in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right, so he used 2 bags of chicken masala, and he's gonna use 2 bags of quinoa sweet brown rice. And here is your thing to stir it up.
It's almost like in Haitian food, we say like Zirina sauce. It's an all-in-one solution right now because we're in the rush. We're in the rush.
We're in the rush, right?
Yeah, we need to move like.
This is how you eat in America. Rush, rush.
Do you know like in Haitian girl like the jiwof, right?
Yeah.
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 I thought it was jiwof, but for some reason it's clove.
So in English, it's not gyro.
It's clove.
It's clove. Yeah,
okay.
Right.
Get it now. Oh.
Yeah.
You know I'm gonna like put only one.
One.
Two is good.
Okay.
Just for the flavor.
Just for the flavor.
A lot of sacrifices for the flavor.
Okay, you ready?
Now,
you gonna cover it up?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So when we come back, we're gonna have Mono Beats full meal on display, and we'll sit down and ask him some personal questions, and we'll let him speak to his followers. So stay tuned. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. My show is dope. Today, we had Mono Beats who cooked with us today. Yeah. This was by far the fastest meal I've ever seen.
So now we have like the brown rice and quinoa and the chicken masala. We have some fruits right here and we have some salad. So we're good, we're healthy, and we fast. We're gonna survive.
Okay, so I'm going to get my share.
Okay.
And we're going to talk a bit, and then we're going to eat and critique. Okay. Okay.
So go first.
Of course I'm gonna go first.
Oh yeah.
You ready? We're gonna count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You ready? 1. You have to put some on your fork also.
Oh.
Yeah.
On some food?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Because you're cheating.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
What? Who's gonna say the 4?
Us? Ladies and gentlemen, he cheats. You ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
I'm proud of myself. What do you think?
You know, I taste the paprika. I take the onion powder. A little bit of garlic.
Definitely.
It's not oily at all because you barely put any oil.
Yeah.
And it's very soft. It's actually well cooked. It's not, mushy. So let's try the chicken.
Okay.
Oh my God. All that salt you put in there? I don't taste none of it. Oh, I forgot.
Everything is balanced.
Everything is balanced.
Balance is everything. So yeah.
But I forgot half of it, wasn't, fell on the floor.
That's true.
This meal.
It was fast.
It's a fast meal. It's healthy. And if you're watching your calorie count and you want something to keep you alive, like you said, because the other cuisine can kill you, this is the meal for you.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna give you an A-.
Okay. Okay.
Right? So while we're waiting and we're eating, we had 3 questions that came up on the channel. We wanted to know, what is your morning routine when you wake up? Because I was looking at your hair and your style. What is your morning routine, Mano?
It depends when I woke up, because sometimes I work all night in the studio making music. But what I did is drink a lot of water, take care of myself, and go to the bathroom, take a shower, and listen to some positive podcasts in the morning, to wake up my mind and to start the day with
some positive
vibe, and that's all. I'm drinking water for maybe 4 hours or 5 hours. After that, I have one meal at 12 and my last meal at 7. Sometimes I have some coconut water in the night. I can have some snack too sometimes.
And that's what keeps you so slim, so buffed up, so sexy and everything.
Thank you.
So how do you do the hair? How do you take care of the hair?
I think like every week. So I wash like very deep wash, but I try to keep it healthy, put some like natural stuff. Okay. I don't use a lot of things, chemicals things. I just wash my hair, like take care of myself. I love doing those skincare routine, those kind of things.
That's,
like
that's wholesome.
Yeah, like very simple stuff.
So he's a very deep person on a personal level. I feel so grateful that we got to know you on a deeper level, not just the cooking show.
Yeah.
But I've always said cooking is actually linked to the way you think, the way you move, and the way you are in this world.
Definitely.
And you know what? Today you just showed it. So I have one last question for you before we wrap up. What was the breakthrough song for you in your career?
For me, it's Akuna.
Akuna.
Yeah, this song like was a collaboration with Afrotronics from Chad in Canada and Voxambu from Lembe, even Canada too. So we made the song together, and the song like go big, and we won 2 trophies.
It went viral.
Yeah, 2 trophies in Africa for Best African Act in the Diaspora and Best African Duo and Music Electro.
So if the viewers or subscribers want to follow you, could you tell them where they can find your link or?
Mano Beats everywhere, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere. Go check Mano Beats and follow me on Instagram and Facebook.
There you go. Yeah. Today we had Mano Beats, super duper artist in the community in Atlanta and everywhere in Africa and everywhere else.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming in.
My pleasure.
And what do you tell the viewers again?
Spice Gal is dope.
You heard it from the main man. We're out. Thank you so much.
Bow bow.
All right.